Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How are you all? Hope you all are doing very well. I am Miss Ikra Parvez Chishti from Divisional Public School and Intermediate College, Lahore. Today, we are going to learn a very interesting topic of mathematics from your book, chapter number 1, Whole Numbers, page number 15 and 16 of New Countdown, 3rd edition, class 3. Today is our lecture 3 of class 3. Our today's goal is to master 3 things. First, what is expanded form? Second, learning converting 4 and 5 digit numbers into expanded forms. And finally, converting expanded forms into 4 and 5 digit numbers. Why do we bother with this? Learning this improves your number sense. It makes addition and subtraction much easier because it simplifies complex numbers into manageable pieces. It's like taking a machine apart to see how the gears work. Let's look at the quick 4-digit example of 2345. We can express this as 2000 plus 300 plus 40 plus 5. By doing this, we highlight how much each digit contributes. In mathematics, expanded form means you take each digit, find out its exact place value, and then write it as a sum. You add them together to find your standard number. Let us take the example of 4678, where 4 is in thousands place, 6 is in hundreds place, 7 is in tens place, and 8 is in ones place. So collectively, when we add them in form of 4000 plus 600 plus 70 plus 8, we get 4678. बच्चों, जब हम नंबर्स को उनकी प्लेस वैल्यू के साथ ऐड करते हैं तो हमें स्टैंडर्ड नंबर मिलता है. Now coming to the topic of expanded form of 4 and 5 digit numbers. So dear mathematicians, open your book, page number 15, question number 1. Write the following numbers in expanded form. We are going to take part A for discussion, which is 6839. So as you can see, it is a 4-digit number. So we will place each digit in its specific place value in the place value chart shown in this slide. Now look, 9 is in ones place. So we will place 9 in ones column. Then we will place 3 in tens column, 8 in hundreds column, and 6 in thousands column. As 9 is in the ones place, so we will multiply 9 with 1. So what is the answer of 9 multiplied by 1? Yes, it's 9. Then we will multiply 3 with 10 because it is in the tens place. So what is the answer of 3 multiplied by 10? Yes, it's 30. Next comes 800s. So as it shows the place value of 100, we will multiply 8 with 100. Yes, you are right. So what is the answer of 8 multiplied by 100? Yes, it is 800. Lastly, there is 6,000s. So we will multiply 6 with 1000. So what is the answer of 6 multiplied by 1000? Yes, it is 6,000. So from here, we can conclude that we can simplify a big number like 6839 into its smaller and manageable pieces like 6000 plus 800 plus 30 plus 9. And the key for solving this type of problem is just to know the exact and right place. Now jumping into expanded form of 5-digit number, we are going to solve part F from the same question, question number 1 of page 15. Part F is 34,904. Likewise, we have done in 4-digit numbers, we are going to place every number in its respective place value in place value chart. We are going to place 4 in ones column, 0 in tens column, 9 in hundreds column, 4 in thousands column, and 3 in 10,000s column. So now from here we can conclude that 4 ones is equal to 4, 0 tens is equal to 0, 9 hundreds is equal to 900, 4 thousands is equal to 4,000, 3 10,000s is equal to 30,000. So we can write 34,904 as 30,000 plus 4,000 plus 900 plus 0 plus 4. Dear mathematicians, now turn your pages, open page number 16. Look at the top of the page. Question number 2, which states look at the expanded forms and then write the numbers. So here we are given with the expanded forms. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, हमें कहा गया है कि एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म हमें दी गई है और हम स्टैंडर्ड नंबर फाइंड आउट करें. सो फॉर दिस वी विल जस्ट रिवर्स द प्रोसेस वी वर डूइंग इन पेज नंबर 15. हमें पहले नंबर्स दिए गए थे और हमने उनके एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म्स फाइंड की थी. अब हमें एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म्स प्रोवाइड की गई हैं और हम इनके सिंपली स्टैंडर्ड नंबर्स फाइंड करेंगे. फॉर दिस वी आर सिंपली गोइंग टू प्लेस ईच नंबर इन इट्स स्पेसिफिक प्लेस वैल्यू इन प्लेस वैल्यू चार्ट. We are going to place 6 in ones column, 1 in tens column, 3 in hundreds column, and 7 in thousands column according to their respective place values. So from here we can sum up all the values which gives us the answer that is equal to 7,360. So question arises, why a third grader needs this? A third grader needs this because of real life money, bank transactions, and shopping bills. It's not easy to understand big complex numbers. So when you break down the bills, it helps you know what exactly you are spending. Budgeting is another example of expanded forms. It helps you manage your finance by breaking down total expenditure in smaller and understandable categories. It makes large number feels less complex. So I encourage all of you to use expanded form in your daily life. Next time you see a large number or a big price tag, try to expand it in your mind for better number handling. बेसिकली एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म्स हमारी डेली लाइफ यूजेज के लिए बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है. जब हम मुख्तलिफ मकामात पर बड़े नंबर्स को डील करते हैं तो हम कन्फ्यूजन का शिकार हो जाते हैं. इस सिलसिले में अगर हम उन नंबर्स को स्मॉलर पीसेस में ब्रेक डाउन कर लें तो हमारे लिए कैलकुलेशन आसान हो जाती है. Dear students, let's have a quick recap of what we have learned today. आज हमने सीखा कि एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म क्या है. हमने सीखा कि कैसे हम 4 या 5 डिजिट नंबर्स को एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म में ब्रेक कर सकते हैं. और हमने ये सीखा कि कैसे हम 4 और 5 डिजिट एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म को एक्सटेंडेड फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं. इसके अलावा हमने सीखा कि एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म का रियल लाइफ में क्या इस्तेमाल है. Alright mathematicians, now it's time to practice what we have learned in this lecture. You are going to solve question number 1. Write the following numbers in expanded form of page 15 on your book. Then you are going to solve question number 2, page 16. Look at these expanded forms, then write the numbers on your book. I would clearly mention that you are going to do your work on your book. आप अपना homework book पर करेंगे. Dear mathematicians, if you have any questions, do ask them. Thank you.